Good morning, girls. This is Miss Gasparini with another video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. We've talked before about how we need to break apart our tens and ones in order to add numbers together correctly. We can only add tens to tens, and we can only add ones to ones. We talked about this in a lot of videos, and we're going to kind of talk about it again today. But today we're going to talk about it using a pattern. So I want us to start by looking at these two sets of ones that I want you to add together. I have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 pink ones, and a set of 1, 2 green ones. If I'm going to write an addition sentence for my 4 pink ones and my 2 green ones, what will it be? Yes, 4 plus 2. And what is 4 plus 2? You got it. 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, good job. Now let me show you something. I have some 10s over here. I'm going to take one of them and move it over. Now, you might be noticing that this 10 is the same color as these ones. That's because this is my new number. I now have 1 10 and 4 ones. What number is 1 10 and 4 ones? Yup, 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones. And what number am I adding to 14 still? 2. I'm adding 14 plus 2. So what is 14 plus 2? That's right. 14 plus 2 is 16. Now I want to show you something. So I added this 10 to my 4 ones, which means instead of 4, I have 14. My number went up by 10. And as we know, the two parts of a two-digit number are the tens and ones. So my parts in this number now are 10 and 4. But because we're still adding our ones together, I'm still doing the addition problem 4 plus 2. And 4 plus 2 is still what? It's still 6. That's right. So my ones are still 4 plus 2, except I've gone up by 10. All right, let me show you a continuation of that pattern. Let's keep going. I'm going to bring another 10 over. So now this number is 2 10s and 4 ones. What number is 2 10s and 4 ones? That's right. 24 is 2 10s and 4 ones. And what number am I adding to 24? I'm still adding 2. That's right. 24 plus 2. So I know that 4 plus 2 is 6. And I know that 14 plus 2 equals 16. You think you can tell me what 24 plus 2 is? You got it. 24 plus 2 equals 26. What am I noticing about my ones? That's right. They've stayed 6 ones. And how much have I gone up by? I've gone up by 10. That's right. So my two parts of my two-digit number are now 20. and 4. So I'm still adding 4 ones to 2 ones to make 6, except now I've gone up by 10. I have 2 10s now instead of 1 10. So I have 20. So it's going to be 26, but my ones are still 4 plus 2, and that part never changed. All right, we're going to do one more. I'm going to move this guy right over. Now I have 3 10s and 4 ones. What's 3 10s and 4 ones? That's right. 3 10s and 4 ones is 34. And what number am I adding to 34? I'm adding 2. 34 plus 2. So I know that 4 plus 2, my ones, 4 ones plus 2 ones is 6. And I know whenever I've added another 10, whenever it's gone up by 10s, my ones haven't changed, just my 10s. So I've gone from 6 to 16 because I had 1 10 to 26 because I had 2 10s. And now I have 3 10s. So what's 34 plus 2? That's right. 34 plus 2 is 36. We're going to keep practicing adding our ones separately and adding our 10s separately because this can be pretty tough. But I know you're working so hard and I am so proud of you. I hope you have a lovely day and I miss you. All right, bye bye.